Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today's thought is it always seems impossible until it is done. You know, we have already started chapter 2. Okay, and in the earlier video, what we have seen? We have seen how to draw a line which is parallel to the given line, and we have done the construction 1 to draw a line parallel to the given line through a point outside the given line using set square, and there we have uses this set square. Again I am telling you, we have drawn one line L over there and we have taken one point P, and through that point what we have done, we have kept the set square like this up to that point in this way, and we have hold these two set square, and after that we have drawn one parallel line M, and in this way we have extended that line, and the answer is line L is parallel to line M. And now we are coming towards the next construction, which is construction number 2. How to do this construction? To draw a parallel line to a given line at a given distance. There one example is there and one method. Draw a line parallel to line L at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So how to do this? We will draw first a line. Okay, so take a ruler and draw a line. So in this way we have to draw a line L. Understood? Now what we have to do? We have to take 2 points on this line. Okay, let us take 2 points A and point B. Through this point we have to draw perpendicular. How to draw perpendicular? You know, first of all you have to take a compass, and from A let us take some distance. You can take some distance over here and draw arcs, same distance to this side, and now take that distance more than half. This is full distance, complete distance. Take more than half and draw one arc upward from this arc and next to this arc in this way. Here also same. Okay, now how much distance we have taken to this point? Same distance you will take towards B. One arc to this side and one arc to right side. Again take more than half distance. This is a complete distance. This is a complete distance. Take more than half and draw arc from both the arcs upward to the B side. Okay children, use pencil only to draw the construction. And now we have to take 2.5 centimeter as a distance. See in the question, draw a line parallel to line L at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So take a ruler and take from this point 2.5 centimeter distance. Okay, so let us take 2.5 centimeter distance from this point. So if you are taking 2.5 centimeter, from 0 to 2.5 you will take here 0 to 2.5, where 2.5 will come, touch that point A, and in this way you will draw one line, and at this point 2 point you will make a dot and give that name as P, and then extend this line in this way. Here also take 2.5 distance towards B, and this is 2.5 distance, and put a dot and write down over Q there, and then extend that line upward. Put a arrow over there. Now from P to Q you will have to draw a line PQ which will be parallel to line L. In this way you will join these two dots and draw a line. This line PQ is parallel to line AB. Understood? Now as we have drawn perpendiculars from point A and point B, we will put a perpendicular sign, and we have taken